Hi everybody, it's Dan here. Tonight I'm going to make a tutorial on what is my favorite Doors song, Love Her Madly. I learned to play the keyboard solo parts, but it took me a lot of years because I'm not a natural keyboard player, and I'm going to show you the technique I learned to play this solo. Now, I'm not saying it's exactly right, but it's what I hear and it's fairly close. And if you can play it this way, you'll be able to make it sound pretty much like the record. The reason I like this song so much is because the interplay between the guitar on one track and the keyboard on the track just has such an impact, along with the bass and the drums, that this is what by far my favorite Doors song. So anyway, here's the tutorial. In order to learn the keyboard part of Love Her Madly, you have to learn how to use your fingers in a different way than normally. It took me years to learn this, and I'm still not very good at it. But I'm going to show you what I mean, okay? So for the solo part of Love Her Madly, here's what it sounds like. You have to learn how to do alternating fingers like this. If you can't do that, it's impossible to play close. So I suggest you work on that until it's as good as you can get it. So anyway, for the first part, the first solo before the middle solo, here's how the fingering goes. It's here G, and then B, and then D. Play those three together, and then you do the rolling thing like this. These two, those two, those two, like that. That's the first part. And then the next part of the solo, it goes. Then there's these three keys. It gets. And then the next part goes down to here. And then, okay, here we go. The third part goes these two notes. And then. And then. Like that. Everybody got that? So I'll go over it again. Okay, that's the first solo and the last solo. Now the middle solo is a little different. Instead of starting here, it goes down to here, but then this other note is here. So it goes. I'm sorry, let's try it again. And then it goes to the same shape as before, but one higher. And then it'll go up to here. And then it changes up to this black key. Understand how that works? I'll go for one more time. Okay? All right. Just for a refresher, one more time from the very beginning. The first solo. And then. And then. And then. Or. Okay, that's the tutorial. That's how you play the solos to Love Her Madly. the reason why I'm doing this is because I wish someone would have showed this to me so I could see and know exactly what to do. Like I said, it's important to learn to do that double finger thing. You have to go dun, 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 dun. That's the key to being able to play Ray Manzarek and get it right. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Appreciate it.